Hello from me, Lazarus. Welcome to the presentation of the 11th lesson of the course on working with databases in Lazarus IDE. Last time, we looked at example 10, a book library with MySQL, and now we'll look at example 11, the same program with the PostgreSQL database. Just to start off by saying that PostgreSQL is a bit more particular to download, because the downloads are not found on the manufacturer's website. So first we click here on download, then we choose our operating system. I choose Windows, and now here you don't continue down to look for the versions, because there's nothing there to download, but you have to at the beginning, here on download the installer and click here, and from here you can download this menu that you want for yourself. I open the PDF file. Now here in the PDF file I tell you how the database is created. But this is not the subject of the presentation, so we will go straight to working with the program. Here we will first see the space. Are we working with the right one? Yes, exactly. And we will not use these two buttons, we will not make them work. We'll work with these buttons here. Let's check what we have in the customers table. I wrote only one in this case, Lazarus. In the books table, I have two books, by Ivan Vazov, Under the Yoke, and by Saint Dmitry of Rostov, Lives of the Saints. And in the cards table I have two, where here they are taken from the first customer, the first book. So, now, if we decide to add, for example, a new client, we pull here so we see and write, for example. At the moment that we are Cyrillic, we write Veronica. Hristova, address, will be more 33, now we don't write anything. And phone we write something, and I'm pressing, actually first. I'll add another entry. For example, Ivan Ivanov. I'll make a completely new one, Sofia, the street will be Rodina, the number will be 112, the unified civil number, UGN, will be as follows. And his phone will be like this, and I click here, and here you see, the records are ready. And here when I click, clean, it's cleared. Now I go to the edit menu and I click refresh, and it asks me, do I want to refresh? And there you have it, the data is now refreshed. If I decide to edit, here you see, I wrote Kristova in lowercase, and for example I want to edit it, I go to Client and click here, and I fix it to be uppercase. And I also got the street wrong. It should be capitalized. I fix it and go back to the edit menu and press refresh, and it says that the data has been updated successfully. And if I decide to delete a row, I have to first select one of the cells in it. I go to the edit menu and press delete. But you have to be careful, because here you have to check before you press yes, if you're in the right order. In this case I click yes, and this is what happens, and then we have to refresh again. I click the refresh button and it shows me that the data has been refreshed successfully. That's all for this tutorial. Best regards.